Lawyers and legal consultation can be pricey. So why not use a robot lawyer? In today's episode on new AI tools, we are introducing DoNotPay.com. So why is this tool awesome and how can it help you? DoNotPay is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to fight back against corporations, bureaucracy, or to sue anyone. It is the world's first robot lawyer, providing users access to a wide range of services from legal documents to canceled subscriptions and late delivery refunds. All of these services are accessible from the press of a button and can save users from spending time and money in lines or fighting through complicated forms. DoNotPay is the perfect platform for users looking to protect their rights and get back the money they deserve. Sounds pretty cool, but how much does it cost? Well, pricing of AI tools can change quickly. At the time of this recording, you could choose this option. There is also a free trial version you can start with. AI marketing tools are rising fast, so keep track by checking this playlist and follow Epic AI Tools,